day students, and welcome to another episode of CS Material Mastery Lessons. In today's tutorial, we'll be looking at how to add images and links to our website. So we'll be going through all of this. It's an important lecture because what is a website without links and images? Now I will quickly continue from where we stopped from lesson 1. So we just have to open that folder, and the name of our folder then was tags, because we treated how to the HTML elements and tags. So we'll be moving from there to add images. So this is how to open the folder with VS Code. Okay, let me zoom it off so we can see. So this was what we treated. Let me view it on the browser so that we can see how the website is looking. So this is a website without links or image. So it's just looking very boring. This was what we treated last time. Paragraph tags and heading tags, ordered and unordered list was what we treated the last time. So today let's see how we can add images to our website. So the first thing we're going to do is to create a folder. So the last time we created a file, which is an index file. Today we'll be creating folder. So instead of coming here, you'll click on this. So we're going to call it images because it's a folder that will be holding our images. Alright, so this folder is empty the way it is. What we're going to do now is to get images that we're going to add there. So I'm just going to get images from an already done project. I'm going to just check and then copy images from there. Alright, I'll be getting these images. So I'll be getting these images. Then I'm going to move to our folder, which is tags. And then this is the folder we created. There is no image yet. See, this folder is empty. I'm just going to paste the images I've copied. So then we'll move back to our VS Code. Now if you open this folder, there are now images. There are images now. There are images. So there are images. Good. So making use of these images on our website. So now we have a folder. We have this. So I want the image to be, let me close this. I want the image to be above this write-up. We want to have the image looking like the hero image, hero kind of image. I want to have it like, I want to have it appear like this. Good. I want to have it appear like this. So but before then, I want to have this heading 1. Can be any title. I want to have this heading 1. So I'll have it, then we'll add the image. Alright, so to do that, I'm going to, because this is what we're having, to let the computer know we want to, so that's where we are. So I'm going to use heading 1 to write something. Then I'm going to say welcome to our cooking recipe website. So I'm going to say welcome to the Carol's cooking website. Okay. So we're going to have it that way. Now if we return back, we're going to have it welcome to Carol's cooking website. Alright, now below that is where we're going to be adding our images. We'll be adding our image. Yes, because I want to have this image that is here. Alright, but before adding our image, I want us to look at what we have here first. We're going to check what links are before we'll learn how to add images. So I'm going to leave it just like that. Let's have it like that. So now, links are one of the key features of HTML. They allow us to link to other HTML pages on web, and in fact is what is called web. Same as what I was saying, because for it to be a website, you need to have images and links. So a website without images and links look very boring, because I'm very sure don't like website like that. So how do we add links, and what is a tag for links? Because in our last class we learned what HTML tags are. So now the tag to add links to our website is just an anchor tag, and that anchor tag is just an a tag. Alright, now I want to I'm very sure that you must have come across something like this on the web, like this, and then you have been seeing something that say read more. So most time when we browse, we come across something like this. This is a link, so you just click on it to check what is there. Now in our own case, even if you click on this link, it's not going anywhere. Keep on refreshing the page, because there is no address to this link. There's no address. Now this space is empty. This is where we add address. You are just telling the computer that this is a link, but then you didn't give it an address where it should be clicked to, right? So that is that. So when you want to add links, you must provide the link with an address. And where is the address going to fall in? The address will fall into this double quotes, in between this double quotes. Yes, that's where we're going to drop our links. Now this href, because we just type anchor tag, and then you are seeing this, we just type a. I just say a. Let me put it again. I just say a, and then you see it coming with anchor tag. Now even without this href, let me remove it this way, and then just let's say read more. You see it just appears as a text, because it's not showing like a link, because that is what makes it a link, that anchor tag, that href. And href is stand for hyperreference. It's hyperreference. Now is the space provided for us to add extra description of where we want our links to be clicked to. So let's assume you want to advertise for someone on your website. So what you need to do is to paste in an address in this place. So let's say for example I type in goodiesoft.com. This may not work. Like this. So that is where to paste the address, but that address is not looking complete. But you can see the moment I've provided something within the double quotes, the color of this has changed. So when you click on it, it's going to say cannot get this, because we don't add https. So we're supposed to add https, just something like this, or something before this, like this. I'm not too sure, but let's see. I'm supposed to get this straight, so cannot get it's not the right way. So let's say let me get the address straight, goodiestuff.com, but then it's better, let me copy it from there. Good. So I'm going to paste it. So this is the right way. https this goodiestuff.com/. So now when we return back and then we click on that link, even though I am not connected to the internet to open the website, we are going to see I'm going to see cannot get again. So let's see. Refresh. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. It's because we not refreshed the page. So you see, so even though there's no network, let me try connecting, so we'll see to load. So that's what links are. So that's how to add links to a website. Now we have two types of links when it comes to web development. Now we have relative links and we have absolute links. So this is it. So links to pages on other people's website on the internet, and then links to pages located on our own website. Now links to website on the internet are called absolute links, while links to pages within our own website are called relative links. So now if I'm saying read more on our website and I paste this link, that is an absolute links because this is a link to another website entirely. Now when you're talking of relative links, we're talking of links to pages. Let me open this again. Network is bad. Okay, let me use this particular site for example. This is a website and it's on localhost. It's not hosted. It's just a simple website. Now this is a link because if I hover on this, you are seeing this cursor changing to a to hand, showing that it's a link. Same applicable to this, same applicable to this. But when you move up here, you see that it's not doing the same thing. If I take my cursor there, it's not doing the same thing as what is happening here. Now this is a link. If I should click this link, it's opening another page on our website. Now this is a relative link. It's a relative link because it's linked to our own website. It's not taking us to another person's website at all. And this is another relative link. When you click on it, is moving you to another, back to home page. Now links to our own website is to help us navigate on our website easily, and like a website you're going to see about all services like that. That was what I was trying to show here, but the network is quite bad this morning. So this is a relative link. So click on the link, you see open another page on the same website like that. Take us back on the same website. Or when you now have another website, another link on the web, because this is not taking us on the same website, this is somebody's website, so it is called absolute link. So when I click on it, it's opening another website entirely. Now when you want to advertise for someone on your website, or when you want to link an absolute link that is linked to another website, you are not supposed to load it directly on your website, and that will take us to another element or tag of HTML known as the target element. Now the target element will help us to open another person's website from our own end on another tab. That's what I'm saying. Instead of loading the website directly there, select blank, type target and select blank element. Now you see this is our website, yet you can't find our website again. Good Stuff Technologies is loading directly on our web page. If you want to return back, you need to shift the site in order to return back to our website, which is not good enough. It's not good enough. You're not supposed to. So to solve that problem, I've put the target element and I've put blank. Now let me refresh. Then if I should click on this read more now, I want you to watch this place up here. You'll see that this website is not going to load here and load us out of our website again. It's going to open a new tab for us this side. Now look at it. Good. You see, this is our website, and then this is where the advert is loading, which is very good. This will enable the client to still have access to your website while still loading the advert on another tab. That is the work of the target element. Now if I should remove this target element, now let's try it again. If I should remove this target element and then refresh this page, let me close this and refresh this page and open and click here. I want you to still watch up here and see that this website, that Goodies of Technologies, will load directly here and not this side. Now look at it. You see what is happening? It's now loading the website in this place. It's loading it here. So it's not good at all this way. Network is bad and it's not coming up. So you see, it has loaded our website out, trying to load the hosted website. So because we don't have network, that is why. If there is network, the website would have displayed. So it's not a good way to link your to link another person's website. That's the absolute link. It's not good to load it like that. So always remember to add the target element while adding an external link that is not on your website. So now if I refresh this now and click on read more, you see open this site and we still have our website. So that's nice. But when you have links like this, there is no need to put target element. That's the difference between relative and absolute link. So this is a relative link, so we don't add the target element. There is no need a relative link opening on a new tab, so we open it directly on the page without that. So that's the difference. So we link to pages on our website, we add them without adding the target element. I don't know if you understand. Alright, so if you follow me this far, that means you enjoyed the lesson. So do wait to like these videos and subscribe to our channel. Remember to turn on the notification bell so that when we upload new videos like this, you'll be the first to get notification. And do wait to message, to drop a comment that you're a new subscriber so that I can welcome you, especially just the way I welcome all my subscribers. Okay, so let's continue. That's all for link. That's all for adding links. Now we'll be moving straight to how we can add images to our website, because our topic here says links and images. So we'll look at how we're going to add our image. Alright, our title is already set, which is this. So we're going to add an image, and thank God we've created an image folder already. It's just to add images. So this is where our welcome note is. Then below that I want to have image, so we're just going to type the img tag. So the tag for image, adding image, is img, so I'll just type img like that. Good. Now img come with other extra tags, which is this src and alt. Now src stands for source. Now we're talking about the source, where your image is coming from. Where is the source of your image? And then alt is alternate. Now alternate is an extra description to the image you've included on your website. Now this is it's not compulsory. I can decide to remove this and my image will work perfectly well. So but we're just going to add it now, but it's not compulsory. This alternate helps to describe the image that you've uploaded, so that in case there is not enough network to load the website, and instead of having just that broken sign of image, we are going to see the name of the image that was supposed to be displayed. That is the function of the alternate word element. So now here I want to get the source of our image to add. We are going to do dot slash, and dot slash is a kind of routing, what will I call it? The routing effect, I'll call it. It's routing, what else I'll call it in programming. So when you put dot and you put slash, it's going to bring up all the folders and files that you have at your left hand side. It's going to display them there. Now for our case here, we have just two, and that is why you're seeing it two here. So, and it's image we want to add, so we're going to click on image. Now once you click on image, you see another forward slash. Now that will not work until you put forward slash, and forward slash is going to open that folder to show you the other the images we have. I'll be selecting this rice image, and because it's a rice image, my extra description, I'm going to call it rice image. That is all. Don't need much in there. Now when let's go back and refresh our browser to see how our image look. So this is our document and this is it. So we have an image like this. Now you can see that the beauty of a website is image and link. Just by adding this one image, the website has taken a new look. Just by adding that, website have taken a new look. So this is quite good. That's how to add image to our website. That is nice. So we succeeded in adding image and link to our website. So there's an assignment here for us to do. Now the assignment is quite big. This is it, but pretty small. So we are going to be creating a recipe website. This is what the assignment is saying. You'll be creating a recipe website. Now with just HTML. This is what I mean. This is the website I've created with just HTML. The display is there on my channel. I'll just drop the link for you to check. So this is the website. We're going to have a heading 1 here. Then we are going to have an unordered list. Now this unordered list is going to be wrapped with anchor tag to enable this to be clickable. Now if you look at it, it's kind of big. It's bigger than our read more that is here. That means it's also wrapped with a heading, either heading 1 or 2, to just make it look bigger. Now there are better ways to handle this, but since the website is going to be with only HTML, I don't need CSS, I don't need any other language. I need the assignment done with just HTML. So we are going to find your way out how to make this big, either with a big tag element, this HTML tag known as big, you'll find out, or you just use heading 1 wrap with the anchor tag, which is the link tag, for it to be clickable. Then you are going to have the landing page like this. Then you are going to have this page when someone click on it. Learn how to bake cake. Then from there we are going to use an unordered list to list out the ingredients of how, because this is a website, you are teaching people how to cook or bake. The assignment requires that you do it with, is a food recipe website. I don't want trading, I don't want tailoring, I don't need any kind of salon website. I need a food recipe. In that way you'll be able to get to practice all the tags that you've learned so far in this HTML series. So you have ingredients needed on ordered list, the method of preparation, which is ordered list. So you list out all the methods you use in preparing. I don't know if you're seeing this, but I think I should zoom it a little. So method of preparation, you're going to use ordered list. Then at the end, you're going to add an image. Yes, you're going to add an image of the finished product. Yes, this is what we have for the beginning. This is this, and then the finished product. Then viewers shouldn't be lost on your page, so you need another link, which is a back to home link that is going to take you back to the home page when someone click on it. Then next you have it like this. So this is just it. This is just it. Another back home, and this is just it. So get this done. Just get this done, get the assignment done. I'll be making a video on how to do this particular assignment, and I will upload it soon. That will be the next, so that you can watch it, look at it, and do your assignment create your website, your first website with just HTML. Then in our next class, we'll be looking at the basic introduction to CSS. That is how to beautify this web page, to add colors and like positioning, styling. In fact, knowing CSS is knowing design, because CSS helps to give the website the beauty it deserves. So if you have followed me this far, that means you enjoyed this tutorials. Do well to like, to subscribe, and to turn on your notification bell for more videos that will be coming up your way like this. Remember to drop in the comment section if you are a new subscriber, so I will welcome you specially like I welcome all my subscribers. Thank you all, and